it's about working a lot smarter. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you 5 simple tools that will plug these hidden leaks and give you your affiliate income an immediate boost. Let's start with your international traffic. Imagine a reader from the UK clicks your Amazon.com link. Faced with foreign currency and high shipping costs, they become annoyed, leave, and buy from their local Amazon CO UK instead. Just like that, your commission is gone. The plug is for this leak is a link localization tool such as Genialink. It automatically detects a visitor's location and sends them to their local storefront. Travel Payout Affiliate Link Generator does a similar job. This simple fix transforms a frustrating experience into a seamless one. Now, to plug this link is a strategic one, creating content based on a hunch. You have to stop guessing and start using data. The plug for this is called SimilarWeb browser extension. With one click, SimilarWeb reveals a website's monthly traffic and the source of its visitors. Here's the magic. Is your competitor getting the most of the traffic from Google or Pinterest? If you're on Pinterest and not on the platform, you're just discovered a vast untapped audience. You're no longer guessing, you're seeing a proven path to success. Now, this leak is for those running paid ads. It's the data black hole. You know you made sales, but you have no idea which your ads or keywords are actually working and which are just burning your money. A notable alternative is Volume. Volume is a professional ad tracking platform that allows you to view every single click in real time. You can finally see with total clarity this Facebook ad made me say 500 in the profit, while this Google ad lost me 200-300. It eliminates the data black hole and stops you from wasting ad spending. Number 4 is missed opportunities. The 4th is a silent killer. Missed opportunities. You might stick to a big program like Amazon, but what if a product you mentioned has a better affiliate program you didn't even know exists? Every time you settle for a 4% commission when you could be earning 20%.